sitting on my back, packing my bags, hoping that someone calls me back, planning my next trip on a map, alone and traveling round the world. And I would wish that someone asked me to stay, because I'm getting tired of walking away. My only destination is hope, and I'm missing home. And I love the adventures that I have. I just like to have a place to come back, a warm house of friends to tell them my stories. Yes, I really like someone to call me back next time I pack my bags.
It's pack time. Luckily, we missed the storm last night. And very nice day today to pack. Hashtag lucky. See, the tent is clear. Just have to pack later. Very nice campground, clean bathrooms and toilets. That's the pathway to the lake down there. See the lake there. We have bunch of stuff. All fit into the magic car. Good times here in Porcupine Mountains. See you again later or soon. Good days. Hashtag lucky.
Like someone to call me back now. Yes, I really like someone to call me back now. Next time I pack my bag, and I wishes that I have. I'd just like someone to hold my hand next time I pack my bag.
Looks like it's day again.
Yeah. Oh, it's a nice day at Indian Lake too.
Yeah.
Cold outside.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving.
Tuesday morning.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left.
And away we go. Back to Indian Lake.
We usually left like exactly 1 p.m.
I got no place I need to go. You know I think of you all day, dear. You're in my heart, just so you know. Wherever you go,
Turn right onto Chvala Road.
Durham. Didn't that just take us up to this next street?
In 1/4 mile, turn left. Turn left onto State Highway N149. Proceed 2 miles on the current road.
Thompson. State Fish Factory.
In 6/10 of a mile, turn left. Turn left onto State Highway N149.
No, I think I'll turn right.
Right.
Why is it trying to take us to Mount Book? Or maybe the other
Big
Indian
spring.
Lake.
You can see the
Understand
Avoid
stupid
more
GPS.
people.
In 3/10 of a mile, make a legal U-turn.
Not gonna happen.
Make a legal U-turn.
Not gonna. You're trying to take us to the wrong place.
Safe park entrance. Legally. Maybe,
GPS is
maybe
gone
you
crazy.
check the kitchen. Maybe get you to keep me.
Proceed 1.5 miles on the current road.
Yeah, there's still a nice girl.
And now it's got it figured out. Oh yeah! You wanted to go here! I think we have the dumbest GPS in existence.
you've been. 'Cause baby, forever and always beside you I'll be.
The tent fast enough. I can drive up here, get the wood, bring it back, and then we can go eat in Manastique. Oops, it's actually at the cabin. Cabin in the woods. Or
I wonder tomorrow, or maybe tonight or sunset. It's empty anyway.
Wherever you've been, oh, 'cause baby, forever and always beside you.
Main Street Pizza. It's about 20 minutes away. Well, it's got reasonable prices. Not expensive like everything else we eat. Every place else we eat.
In 1/4 mile, turn left onto County Highway 442.
$6 for the wood.
Is it the same in Porcupine?
It's a little less because we got 3 at a time. Porcupine.
Continue for 5 miles.
Our neighbors in the second level better. Those the colors of mouse. So violent.
sad when you see the God Bless America store all boarded up.
In 1,000 feet, slight right onto River Street. Take the next right onto River Street. In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Camp at Indian Lake for a little longer. There's lots of stuff.
Yeah,
Family Dollar and
that's why it's the Manistique.
Your destination is on the left.
Main Street. Is it the Main Street?
that's where we're going.
You think everything's going fine. You sure got a funny way of showing it. So this is where I draw the line.
We're having dinner here at Indian Lake State Park. We're staying for the night. Very calm lake. At least the rain stopped. And this is our overnight meal, dinner. Main Street Pizza. Smells yum. Here in Manistique. Smells yum.
It's so quiet.
So quiet camp. This is actually big. Yeah, we still have space there at the back. There. Looks like somebody put some is that tent, honey? That's triangle there.
Yep.
Really close to the electric. I have Hawaiian pizza. Mark is cheese.
Pizza in its purest form.
Yeah.
Don't say sorry for who you are. Endless apologies won't get you far. 'Cause I know that you know that we're in love. Don't say sorry for who you are.
This is the models, but I suggest upstairs. Unique trade. We're staying here at Indian Lake State Park for the night. We have time to stroll. Quack, quack, quack. Look how calm the lake is, Indian Lake. I think we are not getting sunset tonight.
Well, there's always the sunset. It's just not going to be a spectacular one.
It is cloudy. At least not raining. It's really clear. Clear water, honey. Clear water. No pets. No pets to the beach allowed. It's nice park. Clear beach. This is very nice park. The water is clear. Must be warm and nice during summer.
This goes on forever. The weather ain't for everyone. All these guys in suits seem to make all this pain. What good's a rainbow without any rain? It's always crying and depression of somebody else. Change the channel before you lose your sense of self. My little sister doesn't look at the papers they read. All doom and gloom, never what we've achieved. And I don't blame her, but every night at 10:25, switch it over and hope the weatherman's alive. Only watch it for the
Yeah.
weather, then at least that's all foresight.
Can you see?
This goes on forever. The weather ain't for only watch it for the weather, then at least that's all
Every life. And this fall.